Picture an island paradise, where golden beaches meet dense, lush jungles, and the ocean's blue reaches out endlessly into the horizon. Welcome to the hidden islands of French Polynesia, where nature is unspoiled and paradise is a reality. Everyone knows Bora Bora, but there are islands that hold secrets even more mesmerizing. These are places where traditions live on, where lagoons glow in blues and greens, and where serenity isn't just an idea, it's a way of life. Today, on Travelling Heavens, we're unveiling 5 of the most enchanting, lesser-known islands that may just rival Bora Bora itself. And as always, stay until the end for all the travel essentials, from where to stay to how to get there, no matter where you're coming from. Known as the Vanilla Island, Taha'a is a sensory experience unlike any other. As you step off the boat and onto its sandy shores, a sweet fragrance floats in the air. Tahitian vanilla, one of the world's most sought-after and aromatic varieties. The island's vanilla plantations stretch across fertile valleys and rolling hills, where farmers still use traditional methods to nurture and harvest each precious bean. Walking through these vanilla fields feels like stepping back in time, surrounded by lush greenery and towering coconut palms, all perfumed by the vanilla vines clinging to them. But Taha'a has more to offer than just its vanilla. The island is surrounded by a vibrant lagoon, home to coral reefs that house parrotfish, clownfish, and eagle rays. Snorkeling in Taha'a's crystal clear waters is like stepping into an underwater garden. Each coral formation an intricate piece of natural art. For an even deeper connection to Taha'a's beauty, visit one of its renowned pearl farms. Here, you'll see firsthand how rare black pearls are cultivated, a process that takes years of patience and dedication. Each pearl tells a story of nature's artistry, reflecting Taha'a's commitment to preserving its culture and natural beauty. From its fragrant fields to its mesmerizing lagoon, Taha'a is an island of deep sensory experiences. Our next stop is Huahine, often called the Garden of Eden, for its breathtaking landscape of dense forests, serene lagoons, and ancient sites. Huahine is actually 2 islands, Huahine Nui and Huahine Iti, connected by a narrow bridge, creating a blend of landscapes that feel like they're pulled straight from a fairy tale. The lush forests and fertile valleys here have provided sustenance for generations of Polynesians, and remnants of their culture are scattered across the island. Huahine's archaeological sites, such as the sacred marae temples and ancient fish traps, are open windows to a time when Polynesian warriors, priests, and chieftains ruled the land. Lake Whananui, an expansive freshwater lake surrounded by green mountains, is a sacred site where locals still carry out age-old fishing practices. As you explore, you'll uncover the mythology behind Huahine's land, legends of gods, mythical creatures, and warriors that have shaped the island's cultural identity. The island also boasts some of French Polynesia's most stunning beaches. Each one feels like a secluded paradise, with soft white sands and turquoise waters that invite you to pause, breathe, and appreciate nature in its purest form. Whether you're drawn to history, nature, or simply the tranquility of untouched landscapes, Huahine is a place where each moment feels timeless. Rangiroa, meaning endless sky, truly lives up to its name. This enormous atoll is one of the world's largest, with a lagoon so vast it feels like its own ocean, stretching across a ring of motus and coral islands. Rangiroa's lagoon is famous for its rich marine life and is often called a diver's paradise. Tiputa Pass, the atoll's natural channel, offers one of the most thrilling drift dives on Earth. As the tide moves through the pass, it creates a strong current, carrying divers past coral gardens and schools of fish, rays, and on occasion, even hammerhead sharks. This rush of marine life, combined with the crystal clear waters, makes diving in Rangiroa an unforgettable experience. But for those who prefer to stay above the surface, Rangiroa has plenty to offer. Pink Sand Beach, a secluded gem located on one of the outer motus, has sands with a soft, rosy hue that contrasts beautifully with the turquoise lagoon. The beach's unique colour comes from tiny fragments of pink coral, and as the sun sets over the lagoon, the sands seem to glow, creating a surreal and romantic ambience. Rangiroa also has a thriving local wine industry, where you can taste wine crafted from grapes grown in sandy coral soil, a true rarity. Rangiroa is an island that feels infinite, with each corner offering a new adventure. Whether you're diving into its depths or savouring a glass of its unique tropical wine on the shore. Maupiti, known as Bora Bora's little sister, might just be French Polynesia's best-kept secret. This small island, shaped by volcanic mountains and surrounded by a stunning turquoise lagoon, is untouched by large-scale tourism, giving it a tranquil and authentic feel. Life in Maupiti is simple, slow, and deeply connected to nature. With no high-rise hotels or commercial resorts, Maupiti is perfect for those looking to escape the crowds and experience Polynesia's raw beauty. One of Maupiti's hidden gems is Mount Turafatu, a towering peak that offers one of the most spectacular views in the entire South Pacific. The climb is challenging, but the panorama that awaits at the top is breathtaking. You can see the entire island, the lagoon stretching out to the horizon, and even the neighbouring islands in the distance. Taha'a Beach, Maupiti's crown jewel, is a serene, shallow stretch of white sand where the water is so calm and clear that it's often described as a natural infinity pool. Locals will tell you stories of the island's legendary mana, or spiritual energy, which is said to infuse the land, sea, and sky. Spending time here feels like reconnecting with a lost part of yourself, far from the noise of the modern world. Our final stop is Fakarava, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, where nature remains in its purest, most vibrant form. Known for its biodiversity and pristine environment, Fakarava is often described as a paradise for divers and nature enthusiasts. This atoll is one of the few places on Earth where you can experience the thrill of diving among hundreds of reef sharks during the annual shark spawning season. But Fakarava's beauty goes beyond its waters. The atoll's remote villages, coral churches, and unspoiled beaches create an atmosphere that feels like a step back in time. The main village, Rotoava, is quaint and peaceful, with simple homes and the island's oldest church, built entirely from coral stone. Locals here lead a lifestyle of deep respect for the land and sea, and visitors are encouraged to follow the same principles of conservation and gratitude. The atoll's quiet beaches, shaded by swaying coconut palms, are ideal for a day of unwinding, snorkeling, or simply listening to the rhythmic sounds of the waves. Fakarava's magic lies in its untouched beauty, where every sunset over the lagoon feels like a gift and every dive reveals a new secret of the deep. It's a sanctuary that reminds us of the fragility and beauty of our world. After exploring these magical islands, nothing compares to retreating to a comfortable haven. French Polynesia has a selection of accommodations that feel as enchanting as the islands themselves. For the ultimate luxurious experience, the Brando on Tetiaroa offers private villas with infinity pools, lush landscapes, and unparalleled privacy. Conrad Bora Bora Nui is another high-end choice, where overwater bungalows offer a direct view of Bora Bora's iconic lagoon. For mid-range options, Hotel Maitai Rangiroa provides Polynesian-style rooms in an ideal location for divers and beach lovers. Huahine Island Resort on Taha'a is a peaceful and secluded retreat, featuring beachfront bungalows with breathtaking lagoon views. These accommodations allow you to enjoy a balance of comfort and authenticity as you immerse yourself in the beauty of French Polynesia. Traveling to French Polynesia is part of the adventure, with flights to Tahiti available from various global destinations. North America offers direct flights from Los Angeles and San Francisco, with ticket prices ranging from $800 to $1,500. European flights often connect through Auckland or Los Angeles, while those coming from Asia, Australia and Africa can expect similar routes and fares, ranging between $1,000 and $2,500. This journey, while long, leads you to a place where the world feels expansive, timeless, and full of wonder. So, are these hidden islands enough to pull you away from Bora Bora's allure? Each island holds its own charm, its own story, and its own way of connecting you to the natural world. Whether it's Taha'a's vanilla-scented fields, the ancient legends of Huahine, Rangiroa's infinite lagoon, Maupiti's peaceful shores, or the thriving ecosystems of Fakarava, these islands invite you to explore a deeper, more intimate side of French Polynesia. This is Travelling Heavens, and as always, we're here to uncover the world's most beautiful secrets, one island at a time.